Hi, in last video we tried 3D perspective, and let's continue. In this video, I'm going to share things I learned related to texture. So let's get started. Let's walk through the changes related to texture. First, to make things simple, I'm going to delete 3 of those cubes. To bound the texture, we have to load the image first. So in this case, I loaded the image asynchronously by setting the source. So on the same directory, you can find there is a github.jpg. That's the source of this image. We can also change the image to any other images on the web. Let me use this image on the Amazon.com as example. If you are loading image from a different domain, you have to set this cross-origin property. Set it to empty string will cover almost most of the case. Otherwise, WebGL won't allow you manipulate image from other domain. You will get a cross-origin image error. So let's put the image to our lovely GitHub.jpg. After we load the image, we should pass the image to a callback. Remember, if you have shaders that need the texture, you have to use the shader after the image is bounded. Otherwise, you will also get an error. We have to configure some parameters. I tried those 4 parameters. The first 2 is related to clipping the image when the image is very large. The last 2 is related to retrieve the pixels on the image. So you can find the details of those parameters on the specification. I will put it on the video description, same as the code. So after the config, we can just call the text image 2D and pass the image data here. After those steps, the image is loaded. Now we can use the image fragment shader. We can add a new variable in fragment shader which type is sample2D. And when there is only one texture, the name of this variable doesn't matter actually. The texture is bounded to the symbol automatically. Same like using wiring, we can get the pixels from this texture. If I'm not using the pixel from texture, it will look like this. So let me just keep the front face of this cube. In my code, I'm using 2 attributes. The position is being used for specify the points for different faces of the cube. And the A chord is being used for sample the pixels for the image. Get pixels from the texture. The 4 special points on this rotating face is being mapped to those 4 points on the texture course. If I change the order, the image will change to like this. So we have to set the order of the texture coordinates correctly. So that's what I learned related to texture. I will continue to learn and build things, and most importantly, share videos with you. Thanks for your time.